Finishing peeling near heat sources like radiators can be a total pain, but getting it right makes your whole space look way better. So, when you're peeling paint or wallpaper close to a radiator, first, make sure the radiator is completely cool. You don't want to burn yourself or mess up the peeling process. Next, use a sharp putty knife or scraper to get under the edges gently without gouging the wall. If the paint or wallpaper is being stubborn, try softening it with a little warm water or a steam cleaner, but keep it away from the radiator itself so you don't cause damage. Work in small sections and take breaks if you need to avoid overheating the area. Protect the radiator by covering it with plastic or old towels so peeling debris doesn't get inside. After peeling, sand down any rough spots carefully to smooth everything out before repainting or re-wallpapering. Make sure your workspace is well ventilated to help everything dry nice and fast. Lastly, double check for any leftover glue or paint flakes because they can cause your new finish to look messy. One of the biggest mistakes people make when finishing peeling near radiators is trying to do it while the radiator is still hot. This can cause burns and make paint peel unevenly. The fix is simple. Always wait until it's cold before starting. Another common problem is damaging the radiator by scraping too close or not protecting it, which leads to rust or chipped paint on the radiator itself. Cover it up with plastic or cloth before you start peeling. A third mistake is not removing all the residue left behind after peeling, which can mess with how new paint or wallpaper sticks. Always clean and sand surfaces thoroughly before moving on. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want trusted local contractors without all the hassle of searching around. Contractors get noticed and find steady work, making it easier for everyone to handle home projects the right way.